Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to provide IEC number and business details in Payoneer. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to payoneer.com and just simply sign in into your account in the top right corner over here. And after that, once you are signed in, you can just simply click on your name on the top right corner of the screen over here, guys. And now after that, just simply go for the settings over here on the drop down. And then now here on the settings, you should be able to see here verification center, which is the fourth one. So just simply click on verification center. And now from here, guys, just simply click on this, avoid delays when sending payment request. And as you can see, you should be able to see here business profile. So guys, why provide this information? So guys, you will provide this to get a better so Pioneer can get a better understanding of your business to keep the payments flowing smoothly. So just simply click on submit over here on the right side. And from here, just simply provide your business information and just simply provide the necessary information on what is being asked and just simply click on submit at the bottom. And now, once you have done that, you can just simply click on this as well, start getting paid to your receiving account. And from here, make sure to provide the receiving account questionnaire as well. And just simply provide the necessary information over here and click on submit. And the same thing with the third one. Simply click on this. Keep your Pioneer account running smoothly by just simply providing the visual identity verification. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.